all set. Ready for racing. Race number 8. Racing just is started. We have Blue Chic. First to show quickness at the start. Moving up now on the outside is Touch of Class. Vampiro Donnery inside is Friendly Fire Counselor. Simple Beauty. Then next online now is Happy Hour. Enigmatic comes next. 5 o'clock. Exciting. Suburban second last, while Malihim is the early trailer by about 14 lengths of the leader. And going along for the first turn, we have Touch of Class, Violent Anyhap, Vampiro in second, Aleng further back in third, comes Counselor, Simple Beauties down on the inside fourth, Blue Chic comes next, then followed by Friendly Fire, rushing up is Exciting, down on the inside is Happy Hour, Enigmatic, 5 o'clock comes next, Suburban, while Malihim is still running at the tail of the field. Inside the 3 Octavo, we have Touch of Class maintaining a length lead, and in second is Vampiro. Moving up now on the outside is Counselor, down on the inside is Simple Beauty. Blue Chic is on the outside, then next on that Exciting. 5 o'clock is down on the inside, Friendly Fire, and they are now entering the home stretch. A bunch of entries are now fighting out for the lead. Touch of Class by about 2 lengths. A Simple Beauty now in second, and on the outside Vampiro down on the inside. Now is Blue Chic rushing up. Last 50 meters, Counselor followed by Simple Beauty, and finally Counselor, Simple Beauty, Blue Chic, or other Touch of Class. Then comes Simple Beauty, Blue Chic, Counselor, Vampiro. Number 4, 5 o'clock.
Naka